Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So the thing is, I'm back from my gymnastic classes and I've done everything like what I was supposed to, and I've recorded few videos. So that's the reason why I wanted to make a vlog out of it. And for that, I knew that I have to record the intro first. कभी vlog बनाना भी होगा ना, उसके लिए मेरे को चाहिए होंगे कुछ शब्द. Because of that, I have to record these intro videos separately. Most of the time, I'm not saying all the time, but yeah.
मेरे को सिर्फ डबल करनी है डबल
कोई नहीं, ये vlog बनेगा, ये vlog पक्का बनेगा. So having said that, I just wanted to take you through whatever I've done in today's gymnastic classes. So the thing is, I've recently learned how to do a salto, and that's not the back flip. In a back flip, you need to use your hands just to get the flip, but in a salto, you don't need to use your hands. So yeah, I started my gymnastic classes from the very basics. First of all, I did my stretching, and after that I did some basic movements like cartwheel and round off. After that, I worked on my salto, did few of them.
मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा
पीयूसी प्लीज
मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा तुझे आईचा गो.
And then I straight away went to start working on my round off and a salto. That's a combination that I need to work on now, because since now I can do a proper salto, I feel a bit more confident compared to my previous state. But still, like doing a round off along with the salto, it's a bit difficult in terms of the difficulty levels in all the exercises. So these days I'm working on that. बस तू दूसरी दुनिया में जा रहा था अभी. भाई इसकी लैंडिंग देखी. Please guys, don't mind the background. The renovation work is still going on. Right now the painting work is going on. So that's the reason why you can see so many newspaper in my background. They've covered up the extra part. So yeah, having said that, like back to the vlog, back to the topic that we were talking about. So yeah, in gymnastic classes, the thing is, you really need to work on your flexibility, because I've been you can say a victim, or you can say I've been a part of a scenario where I got neck spasm for a week just because I did not properly stretch and I did not properly do my warm-up. So when you talk about gymnastic, it becomes very important for you to do the stretching part and your warm-up properly, because a little unplanned movement here and there can cause you a serious damage. So for that, you need to make your body a bit more flexible for these kind of movements. Also, in this vlog, you'll also see the advanced athletes when it comes to gymnastics, because I would say I am the most basic athlete, I would say basic level athlete over there, because they might be younger than me, but they are very much advanced. They know how to do so many advanced movements, and you'll see that in this vlog. I'll share some clips of their advanced moves. that is our our goal also, just to achieve that. So these are the few movements that I've been working on, because these movements are interlinked and interconnected. If you don't learn the first part of it, you won't be able to do the other movement. So that's the reason why I've made a circuit which I've been practicing. So that's how our basic routine is. Shivam, Dipanshu and me, myself, is doing the same routine, because we are at very similar level at this moment. So yeah, in the end I was doing a backflip practice. I was doing a progression. मेरे को बताइए backflip के लिए जो पहले मैं कर रहा हूँ वो चेक करें.
Jump please. हाथ रख ऐसे. हाँ, अब दूसरे हाथ से भी पुश लेना है, पैर के साथ एक साथ. हाँ, ये पुश लेगा, धीरे धीरे सीधा आएगा, पूरा एक साथ दोनों हाथ, कोऑर्डिनेशन के साथ.
Even though I have learned the Salto, but it's a bit difficult, I would say, compared to backflip. But still, I haven't learned the basic part first. So I've done the difficult part, and I've somehow mastered it. I won't say mastered it, but I've recently learned how to do it properly. So yeah, I'll work on that, and along with that, I will also work on my backflip, because that would help me in other movements as well. But it feels amazing having to learn a Salto movement, because like I recently posted this on my Instagram, and I got so many messages from my friends that they were appreciating me for my efforts, and they wanted to know how they can practice the same thing. So I told them, of course, they should try this, because it's a very unique thing. Every one of us definitely sees these kind of movements on Instagram and different other platforms. We wonder if we can do the same movements or not. And that's the reason I got into gymnastics, because just to learn these kind of movements and just to get out of my comfort zone. That's all, guys. I wanted to record this outro, you can say, or an intro, I don't know. I'll include this part in some or the other way. I don't know why I'm giving explanation for each and everything, whatever I'm doing. But yeah, this feels amazing. I guess I've shown everything that I've done in today's class, and I will keep you posted in my upcoming vlogs. And thank you for watching the rest of my vlogs, and keep supporting, guys. You can subscribe my channel if you like this kind of content, and if you're an athlete yourself, then you should definitely subscribe this channel, because you'll get a lot of content and a lot of insights onto this kind of training. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. That's the basic mantra. You can help me with that, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you. Bye. Chalo, come on. आजा, बाहर तो कर ही लेगा.